Hello everyone. Welcome to today's third lecture on list. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, students will be able to understand the concept of slicing. The following contents will be discussed in this particular video lecture. Slicing elements of a list, then the programs based on it. Slicing of a list. When I say slicing, you're dividing a particular list and extracting that particular part from that particular list. That comes into our mind. So the same thing happens in your list. So it is used to print a specific range of elements from the list. Slice operation is performed on lists with the use of a colon symbol. To print elements from beginning to range, use colon. To print elements from end, to use minus index. So here there are three things. One is positive indexing and negative indexing concept comes here. I'll say list equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'll say print list bracket 1 to 5. No, 1 to 5 I can't take it because elements are very less. Okay, so 3, 5 is printed as 1 and 3. Same thing if I do negative indexing. Print list bracket -1 to -3. Okay, here I have to eliminate this colon symbol, and here it should be square bracket and then this print list let's go for negative bracket and close. What is happening? 5, 7. So starting is -3, -1, -2, -3. Okay, ending is -1. So it should be 5, 7 will be printed. So this is how your negative indexing comes into your while slicing. Now come back to your slicing slide. I'll come back. Then to print elements from specific index till the end, use index colon. Print bracket list 1 to end. What happens? First element is not printed, all the other elements is printed. So the same thing, I'll just say print bracket list colon 4, enter. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is eliminated. Now I'll go for one more thing. So here to print elements within from specific till the end, use index colon. Okay, to print elements within a range, use start index and end index, and to print the whole list with the use colon. Further, to print the whole list in reverse order, you can use this one. Now here they have put a program. Here I have created a list called list programming using Python. I have created all these things as a separate characters. Print list, slice list, list 4 to 8. What is 4 to 8? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should go for RAM. Okay, R to 8, 5, 6, 7. I should not be printed. Let's check the output. RAM. Correct. This is your first output. Before that they have said print list. Now print slice list, then this will be RAM. Now list 6 colon 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check the output. Ming using Python. It starts from 6. It's not ending point, starting point. Okay. Then slice list equal to this much. So all the characters will be printed on the screen. Now pause this video for a few seconds and try to write answer to the following question. Straight, true or false? To print elements of list from rear end, use negative indexes. Probably you have wrote answer to the following question. Now I'll be discussing a program. Write a program to print all numbers in a range. I'll be using the Python for that. Input, enter the start element starting of the range and int input, enter the end element of the range. For I in range start comma end plus 1. Why end plus 1? Because that end element should be printed. Then I'll put colon print I. Run module. It's asking me to starting of the range is 1, ending elements is 10. So 1, 2 up to 11. End element will be for I in range 1, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is printed on the console. Now let us check one more program. Write a program to multiply all values in a list. So here the input is the size of the input list is taken from the user and also the list values or the element values. Okay, it's taken from the user and afterwards multiplication is printed. So once again go here, I'll go back to the same thing, file, new file, size equal to, enter the size of list, mul equal to 1. Now for x in range bracket size given, which is entered from the user, x equal to int input, okay, enter the element. Then this I have to store in some list. I have to create one list called list. It's a keyword, so better I'll create l equal to bracket. So I'll say l dot append of x for x in L for x in L mul is equal to mul into x. Print the output value is colon comma mul bracket. Just I'll go for run module. It's asking me to save. Then I'll say mul save. Invalid syntax l dot append is equal to okay. Okay. I'll go for run module. It's asking me the size of the list. I'll give 5. I'll enter elements called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, 62 is 120. So we have got the correct output. So this is the output. The input will be different. Output will be based on that. Okay. These are the following references. Thank you.